Hello, this is Scott with WebClock. Pardon me. And today we're going to be talking about how to add a shift. So if an employee has failed to clock in, this will be how you add a shift record to that employee. And you can either add an entire shift from start to end, or you can add just the beginning of a shift and the employee can then punch out afterwards if they simply forgot to clock in. And I'll show you both methods. We'll start, of course, as always, by signing in. And now we need to identify the employee that we are going to be adding the shift for. There's several ways to do this. You can choose from your list of employees from the drop down here, or you can enter in part of the name of the employee here. So let's say we're just looking for anybody named Lon. Of course I don't have a Lon, that was supposed to be a J. And we'll find anybody with the first name of John, and there's all of our John employees. Let's go ahead and do John Doe 1027, just to mix it up a little bit. So you'll click the period that you want to go ahead and make the edit for. Perfect choice. This employee has no time records. So today, this employee failed to click in or clock in, so you will click on Add Shift Record. Choose the date that you're adding the record for. Now on this screen, you can use these drag buttons here. So if he started at 7 a.m., you can do that and advance that to 7 a.m. Or you can just come right up here, erase everything that's there, and put in the time that the employee started. Either way is acceptable. When you click down here, it automatically populates the same thing you put up top. So now you can change the end time. So if we know this employee worked until, let's say 12:30 today, make sure to change it to PM. You can do that. You can also change any job costing elements that are needed for that shift. It does default to their standard. You also, if you know the employee worked 6 hours, you can delete end shift and not use that. And you can put in 6 hours here, or whatever number of hours, and it will calculate that for you. You must put a comment down here. Edit shift for video is what I'll put in today. And at 6 hours, it will actually calculate the leaving time of 12:30 p.m. and create the record for you. You click on Back to Employee Time, and you can see the record has been added. That's method number 1 for adding the entire shift. Method 2, if you're adding a shift record for an employee who came in today, let's say this employee came back at 12:30, or actually let's do 1 o'clock, just to be, I like this way better. So 1 o'clock, you don't know the end time, the employee just missed a punch in. You can skip the end shift and you can skip the hours worked and simply come down here and put in your reason for creating a shift. This will actually go through and create an open record, so when the employee goes to punch out now, they'll actually have the ability to punch out on the employee screen. So that is how to add a shift record, both methods of being able to add a shift record. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.